Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two best IT solution platform, which is Atera and Pulseway. So let's dive into it. In 2025, both Atera and Pulseway offer a powerful all-in-one IT management platform, but they cater slightly different to MSPs and IT teams. So to get started, Atera stands out with its fixed per technician pricing models, which is great for growing teams. It combines RMM, PSA, remote access, patch management, and automation in a clean, intuitive interface. Atera AI-driven insight and automated ticketing also help system reduce workload and boost efficiency. Meanwhile, Pulseway shines with real-time mobile monitoring, making it a favorite for IT pros who need to stay connected on the go. Its performance monitoring, patch management, and remote control tools are fast and reliable, and the mobile-first design gives Pulseway an edge in responsiveness. However, Atera lacks some of the real-time mobile functionalities that Pulseway users love. On the flip side, Pulseway can get expensive as you scale, especially with add-on and custom models. Its automation capabilities, while solid, aren't as deep or user-friendly as Atera Grow AI-powered features. And here's the overall conclusion about the two platforms. Choose Atera if you want an affordable, scalable solution with strong automation and AI integration, and opt in for Pulseway if mobile control and real-time system monitoring are your top priorities. Both excellent, but your choice depends on what matters most to your workflow in 2025. And that's it. Open review report, turn on the notification button. Thanks.